Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys coupons to print. I usually print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get points for every single time I print coupons. So why not just print coupons and get paid for it? So I just wanted to show you guys with that. So they got some new coupons. I'm going to actually print this coupon off because there is a deal for the Light and Fit Greek yogurt in the Ibotta app. So I'm going to do that for tomorrow. And then looks like we got $1 off of 2 flavored Kellogg's flavored snacks. We got $1 off the Village Natural Therapy bath bombs. I'm actually going to print that off and see if there's a deal I can do at Walmart. I think Walmart, it sells that brand. But let's see. I'm hoping we got some really good coupons. Here we got $1 off of 2 Dial. That's a pretty decent coupon. I'm going to print that off. Here we got $1.50 off Seeds of Chain. Not sure what that is. Talenti, we got $1.50 off coupon. I'm going to get those for my husband. We got Blink, $3 off. I think that's an older coupon. Let's see what else we got. $1 off of Tylenol or Simply Sleep. Here we got $2 off of 2 Stay Free. We got $1 off of Tresemme, $1 off of Benadryl, $4 off any kids Zyrtec. I'm going to just print that off. Here we got a good coupon, $1 off of Irish Springs, $1 off of all, 75 cents off of soft soap. I was super excited for those. Another $1 off Benadryl, 50 cents off of Band-Aid brand, $1 off of Tylenol. Here we got $1 off the Listerine product. I'm hoping to get those coupons. We got $3 off of 2 Playtex and $2 off of 2 Carefree. Man, some great coupons. We got $1 off the Listerine products. And then we got, let's see what other good stuff we have. I'm hoping stuff. $1 off of Teatley tea. Now I did know Dollar Tree sold that at one time, so it might be free at Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's still there. It was like there last summer, so if you guys are really into that. But otherwise, I'm not seeing a lot of coupons to print. That looks just about it, which is fine with me. And yeah, that's it. One thing I did want to share with you guys is also that you guys, oh, you used to be able to print Red Plum. They got rid of that, so I'll have to see what we can print from Red Plum. But those are the coupons that I'm printing. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.